What's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. In today's video we are going to conduct another crazy experiment, rocket fuel versus eggs. Just like our previous video, rocket fuel versus popcorn. Check that video after watching this video. I'll drop the links in the description. So without any further ado, let's get started. I had this idea of conducting this crazy experiment from a long time, but I never wanted to waste these eggs. At the same time I was working on egg incubators. I constructed one and tested it. Everything was fine. The real story began after 3 days. Due to high temperature, the box started to burn and it was a complete failure. The eggs became useless. That's another story. I have made a separate video on that. You can watch it later if you are interested. I didn't upload the video yet. Once I upload, I will drop the links in the description. Maybe it's a true fact. One failed experiment leads to another experiment. Yes, you got it. These eggs are from failed incubator project. Anyhow, I'm working on it and I will never stop working on it until I hatch at least an egg with that incubator. So coming to our video, the setup is simple. Just rocket fuel and eggs. I took some rocket fuel and made a small pile of it. Rocket fuel is nothing but a mixture of potassium nitrate and sugar. And to make the eggs look interesting, I drew some faces on it. Here is the scary one, Mr. Chillbro, and I don't know his name. Suggest a name for this egg and let me know in the comments. To the pile I have added a fuse to operate it from a safe distance, as this is a highly combustible mixture. Everything is perfect. Now it's time to set this on fire. Wait, I forgot to press the record button when I ignited the mixture. Soon I realized it and the video started from here. To get the view of how this mixture started igniting, I took a small clip from my previous video, popcorn versus rocket fuel. Have a look. My eggs. Look at the eggs, completely burned. And the black things you see here is the sugar that turned into charcoal. Mini sugar snakes. I can't figure out who is Mr. Chill here. Hardest way to cook eggs. Do not try this at home. Playing with fire is extremely dangerous. And before you leave the video, check the video rocket fuel versus popcorn. I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy video, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Meet you next week with a brand new video. Until then, keep exploring infinity.